Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about a Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the FLAX colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we're going to be talking about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in the FLAX colorway. We'll go through the overview of these. I pulled out a couple other Yeezy silhouettes that I feel like have a similar color scheme to the FLAX. Then we'll jump into size and fit on these, followed by how I style this really simplistic color scheme, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. One of the confusing parts about the FLAX name is that the FLAX that was released in the slide, for instance, was a completely different color. It was actually a nice kind of darker brown shade. These, in my opinion, have absolutely no brown on them. This was originally released back in 2020 as a region locked exclusive in Asian Africa. So we were unable to get this in the US since we got the Earth colorway. There was also the Taillights. For those of you who remember that release, this released in a trio set, but each color scheme was actually region locked. So it's nice that we are getting that reissued, re-release on the FLAX color scheme. So starting in the front, you can see that this is kind of a very much so yellow palette. There is some kind of light tan hues that are intermixed in that prime knitting, mixed up with some kind of light creamish beige tones. We do have a transparent stripe here in a very yellow hue. So I actually brought out my Supermoon yellows and my Marshes just to kind of hold up and compare. You can see how yellow the FLAX color scheme is. The only key difference is that I definitely feel like there are a little bit more tan and beige hues throughout this. We do have cream laces, and as we wrap around, that prime knitting again is intermixed with that nice just light pastel shade of yellow, intermixed with some light hues of beige and cream. We've got a pull tab on the back here, which is also in just a nice pop of yellow. The interior is also in this kind of just muted pastel color scheme of yellow. As we work our way down to the bottom for the midsole, we've got this transparent midsole that does have a nice bright pop of yellow to it. It is very similar actually to the Marshes here. It's not as bright as the Marsh, but definitely has a bit of that yellow color scheme going on. As we work our way to the bottom, this is a little bit of a different shade that we've got working on here. And again, that transparent color scheme. And we do have that full length boost that shows through. So let's take a look at those details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, this year for the 350 V2s, I've decided that a full size up has kind of been my comfort zone. I feel like going half a size up, the 350 V2 silhouettes have just felt like they've run a little bit more on the snug side this year, and I feel like the prime knit is definitely a little bit stronger and it's taking a little bit longer to kind of break that prime knitting in. So a full size up is my current recommendation. I do feel like your feet get pushed up a bit in the 350 silhouette, so do take that into consideration when deciding on what size will work best for you. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, just really cool muted yellow tone that I feel like is great all year round. This is definitely going to be a great colorway for the fall. Yellow is definitely a nice, vibrant colorway. So for the first look, I definitely wanted to bring some yellow into mix. So I decided to wear a yellow sweater that kind of matched the yellow hues in the sneaker with some nice just cream leather pants. And I layered that with a nice just khaki trench coat.
To a safe place, we steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy, you like that. Don't back down, no you talk back. Keep it spicy, there's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it.
For the second look, switched up a little bit, wanted to bring in some patterns with this nice just pattern abstract silk button down shirt with a cream t-shirt underneath that. And then over top of that, I layered that with a just nice simplistic faux fur jacket in a cream colorway. I think that creams also will go quite nicely with this just because there is kind of a lot of cream colorways throughout. And then for the bottoms, I wore some just nice cargo olive toned jeans.
We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear some knitwear. I wore a knitted hooded sweatshirt in cream with some matching cream knit pants. I layered that with an olive green puffer vest. And then on top of that, I layered it with a nice kind of beige tone peacoat.
There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove.
So you let me know down below what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
What you gonna do when the rain is coming down? Nothing more to do when there's no one else around. Bring it back to the middle, push, take it back to the rhythm. Keep it up for good when the sky's falling down. All you gotta do is to bring it to the ground. Hit it up to your inner move, stop, start, down. Nobody can get what you're going through. Nobody can get what you've done. Nobody can get what you're going through.
With how you're currently doing on the resale market. These retailed at $230 and they are currently, depending on what size you are, going a little below retail to up to $300. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, thanks so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a like if you haven't already. Leave me any comments or questions down below and hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa. We'll catch you on the next episode.
Nobody can get what you've done.